This spicy mango salad is one of those simple and delicious salads that I so enjoy. Full of fresh flavors, my kind of easy and so amazingly fresh and colorful. Gorgeous, isn't it? Let's begin! Let's start by making the spicy dressing. 2 cloves of garlic. I recommend just use 1 red chili pepper. I use 3 because I love spicy, but it depends on how you like your food to be. Then add 1 whole of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then blend it all together and set aside. On a medium-high heat temperature, let's toast 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. It's about 2 to 3 minutes. Moving on, let's prepare a quarter of red onion. And also let's slice 1 sweet red pepper. Based on my research, this is called BASQUE pepper. Yay, we're halfway done. Typically, unripe mango or papaya is used, but for this recipe, I want to use the mango. If you can find unripe mango or papaya, give it a try. This is gonna be so good and delicious and healthy, with a little more crunch and not as sweet. This is the good combinations of saltiness, sweetness, and spiciness. Oh no! It looks like my julienne tool is not working. It's too thin. So I guess I can do it with my hands and a knife like I used to do in the Philippines. Let's move on our final step. In a large mixing bowl, add the prepared mango. Next, the sliced red onion and a handful of cilantro. Also, a handful of, what is this called again? Oh, mint. Then 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. Next, the salad dressing that we made earlier, followed by 2 tablespoons of toasted crushed peanuts. In addition, let's add cherry tomatoes and sweet red chili. Lastly, to complete this recipe, just add salt to taste. Come to think of it, this mango salad, it's irresistibly super looking good, and it's super simple to make, and of course outrageously delicious. Plus, it's so colorful. That makes me super happy and hungry. Let's enjoy! Thank you guys for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.